Hello everyone, friends. This is Veller. Today I'll show you how to wipe your PC before selling it. I'm demonstrating on Windows 11, but on Windows 10 it's done the same way basically. Go to Start, click Settings, click Windows Update here, then click Additional Options. And here we have a button called Recovery. Go in, and here's Reset PC. Go to Reset PC and select Remove Everything. So here you can choose to reinstall Windows from this PC. Right? Or download Windows from the cloud, but I'm choosing local, yes. And this will remove all apps and files, all files from the Windows drive, and install Windows from this same device. Right, and then click Next. So this preparation process happens. And then you confirm the reset, after which your computer will restart. That's it. Like and subscribe to the channel. Press the reset button. See you all later.